Bahasa Inggris, expression of congratulation. Expression of congratulation yaitu congratulations, I'm very happy of you, that's wonderful, good for you, best of luck, well done, fantastic job, you must be very happy with your achievement, I'd like to congratulate you on your accomplishment. Please accept my warmest congratulations. I must congratulate you on your success. Happy birthday, Happy New Year, Happy Eid Mubarak, Happy Anniversary. Let me congratulate you. I will be the first to congratulate you on. Response to expression of congratulations. It's very good of you to say so. Thank you. I can't forget your help to me. How nice of you to say so. Thank you very much for saying so. I'm glad you think so. Oh, actually, it's not special. Oh, I have a lot to learn yet. Oh, not really. Oh, nothing to it actually. Oh, thanks. Contoh dialog expression of congratulation. Dialog 1. Dina. Hi Yuni, what's your daughter doing this day? Hai Yuni, apa yang anakmu lakukan akhir-akhir ini? Yuni. Oh, she in college, in fact. She plans to graduate this June. Oh, dia sedang kuliah. Faktanya dia berencana untuk lulus pada Juni ini. Dina, that's wonderful. You must be very proud of her. Itu luar biasa. Kau pasti sangat bangga padanya. Dialog 2. Rani. Hi Anissa. Anissa. Hi, you look great in that pink headscarf. What nice scarf. Hai, kau terlihat luar biasa dengan kerudung pink. Kerudung yang sangat cantik. Rani. How nice of you to say that. Baik sekali dirimu mengatakan itu. Anissa. I've never seen you in that hat. Where did you buy it? Aku tidak pernah melihatmu memakai topi. Di mana kau membelinya? Rani. My mom bought it for me when she went to market. Ibuku membelikannya untukku ketika dia pergi ke pasar. Anissa. I see. Baiklah. Rani. Look, the teacher is coming. Lihat, gurunya sudah datang. Anissa. Pak Sultoni. Mr. Sultoni. Hi, how are you? Hai, apa kabarmu? Rani. We're good, thanks. How about you? Kami baik-baik saja, terima kasih. Bagaimana denganmu? Mr. Sultoni. Excellent. Luar biasa.